Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 15 using the surface workbench in SolidWorks. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and open an empty part template. Now, to begin with, we'll create the surface over here using this profile and another surface using the whole profile here. So let's start off. Let's go to the sketch, click on the sketch and create the first sketch on the right plane. So in this case, what I would do is use a center rectangle. Just use the trim entities and trim this portion off, right, and give 60 for the overall and this length as 40. Let's put this center point let's put this down. Okay, let's put this origin at the midpoint of this line, so that's that, tick mark, and let's draw a center line over here and give this point and this line at the midpoint, tick mark. Okay, now smart dimension this to be 10 and the overall length, okay, it's already 20. Now we can exit sketch. Now we can go for surfaces, extrude surface. Extrude the surface, yeah, in this direction is fine, and we would give how much? 25 extrusion. Alright, that's done. Now what we would do now is again go for sketch and create one more sketch, and this time we'll just draw okay. Now smart dimension it, that would be how much? 15, and this again would be 15, and the overall height is 75. Okay, now you can see that's fully constrained. Exit sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, extrude surface on the opposite side of a thickness 40 minus 25 will be 15, tick mark. Alright, now what we can do next will be you can use this sketch and use a fill surface and fill that surface. Again, take that fill and go for offset in the reverse direction. You can offset with 15, the same distance that we gave last time. Okay, now what we can do is select the surface and go for trim and trim this portion off. Now we have that opening there, right? Now what we can do is firstly create the surface, right? You can take that sketch here. That sketch is over there, so I'll just go for fill surface, fill that, and take that, offset it up to 25, tick mark, and take that fill and hide it. Now that surface doesn't exist there. Also yeah, and if at all we had to create this throughout, then it is what we can do will be we can just create a rectangle here and just extrude it and then trim this portion off just the way we did over here. Now finally we'll just create these two holes here. So to do that, what we'll do is we'll just select that face and go for a sketch and create a hole here. Smart dimension will be diameter 10. And that hole is lying at a distance of how much? 12.5, and it's having a diameter of 10, and it's lying at the center, so it's supposed to give a fully constrained look, but it's still not giving that. Okay, that's because it's getting constrained somewhere else. So what we'll do is we'll just select this and the origin and go for horizontal. Now it's fully constrained. Exit sketch. You can go for extrude surface and just extrude it reverse direction and just extrude up to surface. I can just give this as that surface. Just go for tick mark, and that's done. What we'll do is we'll just select that surface and go for trim and trim this and this portion off, tick mark. Now that portion is done. Again, similarly we can just repeat the steps and create another circle here and just give smart dimension. That dimension will be diameter 20, and that's at the distance of 20 from this edge here. And also this center and this origin is at vertical. Okay, exit sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, extrude, reverse direction, 15, that's good. Now select that surface, go for trim these portions off, go for tick mark. And that completed our model. That's all about this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.